What's the meaning of clans? Clans. Clans.
Clans. Clans. Clans refer to social groups or communities that are often based on a shared ancestry, family ties, or common interests. These groups typically have their own cultural traditions, customs, and hierarchy, which set them apart from other clans. In some cases, clans may form larger kinship networks that extend across geographic regions, making them an important social unit in human history and culture. Understanding the dynamics and characteristics of clans can shed light on the complexities of human societies and the ways in which people form and maintain social connections.